Welcome back to Module 1 of our course, Library Marketing 101, Strategies for Engaging Your Audience. In our previous lesson, we explored the importance of library marketing and how it enhances the overall services provided by academic libraries. In this lesson, we'll dive deeper into understanding our users' needs and preferences and identify target audiences for our marketing effort. To effectively engage our users, we must first understand who they are and what they need. By identifying our target audiences, we can tailor our marketing efforts to resonate with them. Let's begin. User data is a goldmine of information that helps us understand our audience better. Analyzing data from various sources such as user surveys, focus groups, and website analytics provides valuable insights into our users' preferences, behaviors, and challenges. User personas are fictional representations of our typical users based on data and research. By creating personas, we can visualize our target audience, their motivations, and pain points, allowing us to tailor marketing messages that resonate with them. Segmenting our audience allows us to target specific groups with relevant content. We can use demographic, academic, and behavioral factors to create segments and tailor our marketing messages accordingly. The user journey maps the steps a user takes from initial awareness to becoming an engaged library patron. By understanding this journey, we can identify critical touchpoints and develop marketing strategies that guide users through each stage. To capture our users' attention, our marketing messages must be compelling and relevant. Focus on addressing their pain points and showcasing how our services solve their problems. Testimonials and success stories have a powerful impact on potential users. By sharing positive experiences from satisfied users, we build credibility and trust in our services. Visual content is a great way to convey complex information quickly and effectively. Utilize infographics, videos, and images to make your marketing messages more engaging and memorable. Collaborating with other campus departments or student organizations can expand our reach and enhance our marketing efforts. Partnering with influencers or thought leaders can also increase our visibility among specific user groups. When it comes to the user's needs, always keep in mind the following. User data insights. Analyzing data provides valuable insights into users' preferences and behaviors. User personas. Creating personas helps visualize and understand our target audience. Segmentation benefits. Segmenting our audience allows personalized marketing messages. User journey understanding. Knowing the user journey helps identify critical touchpoints for effective marketing. Compelling messages. Crafting messages that address user pain points and showcase library services. Testimonials impact. Sharing positive experiences builds credibility and trust in library services. Visual content engagement. Visuals like infographics and videos capture attention and convey information effectively. Leveraging partnerships. Collaborating with other departments and influencers expands reach. Data-driven decisions. Monitoring data guides inform decision-making for successful marketing. Understanding user needs and identifying target audiences empowers us to engage effectively, increase library utilization, and enhance the academic experience. In the next lesson, we'll explore social media's power in library marketing. See you there.